Folks, who doesn't love fried chicken? Hello folks, today we're going to make fried chicken Indian style. I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you really want to have some fun, get them bone in, but take the skin off. I marinated this overnight in a ginger garlic chili paste with some salt. It's been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. You have to bring it back to room temperature. So this fried chicken needs a second marinade. I'll show you. We start with 1 egg. So this is our traditional Indian spice box, and the most commonly used spice powders go in here. So turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, black mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander powder, and I always have some form of garam masala. And this one happens to be what we call goda masala from the region of India I'm from. So I added some chili powder to this, about a tablespoon. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to put some coriander powder. Go a little generous with that because that's kind of one of the main players here. We'll take a little bit of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. And we've got some rice flour here that we need to add. About a half a cup of coconut oil that's nice and smoking hot, which is what you need to make this chicken. I'm going to coat the chicken in the second marinade or the dip, the batter, and put it up real good, like so. And place it in the batter. Now we let it fry, and then with your tongs very carefully flip it over. See, it gets a nice brown color. It's got rice flour, so it's nice and crispy. I'm going to take this off the griddle, and I'm going to let it come to room temperature. And then I'm going to fry it again, and that's when the skin crisps really well. Right, we're going to put the chicken back in to fry. I have some coconut oil, and I have added a coarsely chopped onion and some green chili in it. I'm going to finish it off with curry leaves and we'll put it on the chicken. Now we can take this, pour it on the chicken. And we're ready to serve. But the only way to get fried chicken better than fried chicken is to make it like this. No, this is so good. Once you have this fried chicken, I guarantee you won't have any other. So it's a keeper. Again folks, be good, do good, create good. Thank you.